Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our ninth chapter, that is the respiration. In previous classes already we have discussed about that, students. Respiration in humans, okay? How that respiratory systems in humans, in the last video already we have learned that. But students, today we are going to discuss about how the mechanisms, actually how it is that respiratory system is running our mechanism, we will discuss in this video. So students, you know that there are the two process. One thing is that breathing, that means oxygen gas we are taking inside, that is called inhalation, and another one system is we are leaving out, yes, that is called as exhalation. So inhalation and exhalation is complete process is called as respiration, yes. So but friends, how it is happening, how, which body, how it is process, what is that process and how it is taking place, how it is working the lungs, and it is doing this respiratory systems, we will discuss in this video, that is called as mechanisms of breathing in humans. We will study in this video. So see students, the expansion and compression of movement of the chest cavity helps the sucking oxygen and squeezing out the carbon dioxide from the walls of the lungs. Actually due to that expansion and compression. Expansion means it will be extend, okay, and compression means it will be squeeze, that means it will be inward, okay. So when like this it is happening of the our chest cavity or chest or the cavity, then what happening that whenever it is expanding, okay, whenever it is increasing that what is that expansion, whenever the chest cavity is happening, at that time what happening, oxygen gas is entering to that our lungs, that is called as inhalation. And when it is compression, that means it is squeezing, that means the carbon dioxide is coming out, okay. This process is called as breathing and other respiratory systems. So we will discuss about that now. So students, so sucking the oxygen and squeezing out the carbon dioxide from the walls of the lungs. So oxygen is taking and carbon dioxide is releasing. But during the inhalation, whenever the oxygen gas is taking, that process is called, that things is called as what? Inhalation. We are inward to the body, or that gas we are taking. So during the inhalation, two things happen. What will happen whenever we are taking that oxygen? What happening? Now the ribs move up and outward. The ribs move. What is that? Move up. That our root. If you take that breath, if you take that, you will do that inhalation. You can do practical also. Then our bone, that rib bones, it will come just up, okay, and outward, and it will be expand like outward, okay. That is called as this is one thing. Second, what happens? The diaphragm moves downward. Here on like a plastic that like a what is that like a balloon, okay, like that one our rubber sheet like one very elastic things is there, material is there, which one is what happening, it is coming towards the down, like that you can understand friends. Whenever this is for inhalation, this is for inhalation, okay. This moment just whenever we will take that we will do that whenever we will do this inhalation process, this is for inhalation. When that at that time what happening, our chest cavity is expanding outwards and moving up, chest cavity, and this diaphragm, this is called as the diaphragm, okay, diaphragm, okay. So this diaphragm, what happening, inward means down it is coming, it is to down, then whenever that it is down, then it is oxygen gas is entering to the lungs. Did you understand friends? During the inhalation, two things happening. One is our chest cavity, what happening, outwards and upward. Means outwards like expanding and moving up, and the diaphragm what happening, inward, okay. तो ये एक मेथड हो रही ड्यूरिंग दैट इनहेलेशन. बट ड्यूरिंग दैट एक्सहेलेशन व्हाट हैपनिंग? सेम टू थिंग्स इज हैपनिंग. ड्यूरिंग दैट एक्सहेलेशन टू थिंग्स इज हैपनिंग. वन इज क्या होता वो, जो चेस्ट कैविट इनवर्ड मतलब स्क्वीज होता इनवर्ड एंड इनवर्ड होता एंड डायफ्राम upward. Okay, this during the exhalation the two things happens. One is the ribs move down and inward. The ribs, here ribs is there. Okay, here that ribs are there, like this is there. This ribs, what happening friends? The ribs move down. That means the ribs will come to the down, just like down leg, and inward, and it will be squeeze, like it will be compression. Okay, just it will be pressed to down. Okay, and what is the diaphragm? Diaphragm will go up, moves up. Diaphragm moves up. Did you understand friends? So these are about that mechanisms of what is that, our human respiratory systems. So students, how that mechanisms of breathing in humans already I have explained, but by the diagrams also you can understand. This is two things for, one for inhalation and the second thing is the exhalation. Okay friends, so inhalation for that one you can do in practical already. Once last science activity also I have shown that how that breathing, that the mechanisms of that our humans already I have told you. You can do in your home. One just a simple one, bottle tape and bottle cap that to keep and tight and hole make here, bottle cap hole, and one pipe straw, that whatever that we are cold drinks that we are taking, that for taking that straw that we can take, and that you can put, and you can connect like Y like also you can make it, and to end of this we can connect that what two balloons. Okay, and that is simple, that water bottle also you can do students like this water bottle you can cut like this portion, and this end of this portion if you cutting after you keep that one emblem like that one balloon things or like elastic things you can keep the cover that it, which one can pull to down like that you can do. Okay, like that way whenever you will pull to the down you can understand this balloon will be enlarged and bulging, but whenever we leave that time this balloon will become squeezed. Okay, so that is the our mechanisms like our in our lungs. Okay friends, I hope you have understand about that mechanisms of breathing in humans. Thank you all students. For your homework you draw this in your classwork very neatly and carefully. If it is possible you can do activity in your home. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.